Let's make slime! Yay!
Again. Oh.
And I got this. I am reading to my pet dog. Hi, my name is Slappy. My name is Eben. My name is Max.
Hi, my name is Aeden, and welcome to the review and giveawaychannel.com. And today we're making slime.
Alrighty, so we got guests in today. Who have we got?
Me.
And what's your channel?
Eben's friends, but I'm not really uploading anymore.
Eben's friends, yeah.
But I'm making a
Eben
new
friends.
one.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And Max, yours is?
My gaming/vlog channel.
Yeah,
My gaming/vlog channel. Gaming not spelt properly.
No.
I
spell it, it always doesn't work. Like
Okay.
on my titles and
All the
everything,
time.
I spell it right, I type it in, I press it for the title, and then it always spells something.
Alright, now Aeden, and you got a YouTube channel?
Review and giveawaychannel.com.
Yeah, this
Alright, so we got guests, despite our table basically destroyed and all over the place. So you guys know what you're doing, sort of, and I'm just going to fill them, and that's pretty much it. So you're going to experiment making slime, alright? Just wait, not ready yet, because I'm going to have to change the camera angle, so I'm going to let you guys do what you need to do. Okay, so I've set the camera up so we can see you and what you're doing. Your job is to be generically interesting for the viewers. Okay, go, let's make some mix.
I'm putting my glue in.
Okay, now I'm just gonna wait, guys. Be patient. I'm just gonna wait.
Fox. I don't got a job, but I'm getting paid. City next up, check the accolades. Never act afraid. You can ride a boat, but I'll crash your waves. Come and get a taste. Oh Lord, she feeling the more. I hit it to leave. No feel around.
It's feeling nice right now.
Oh. Lucky it didn't go.
Alright, so we're going again since
Yeah,
Aiden spilled half a bottle of yellow
Food
food colouring.
Okay, I'll start.
And then when I was mixing, I put so much glue on my hands.
So,
You need more
I'll put a
Yeah,
little bit.
More. I'm feeling myself. I really need more. You got it on lock while I'm breaking the door. Ride around the city with a top down. Shorty face get low when I drop down. Never had no help. Only out myself. Bad luck go down when I spaz out. Look, I'm sick as fuck, but I'ma still record it. When I spit the flow, that's the only one. And feeling like I'm wanted. I'ma always want it. Give me like a moment. I'ma get the score and goddamn.
Might fuck around and put you in the ground. Y'all talking shit, I'm the talk of the town. Bitch, I'm a king, you just holding my crown. Feel like the illest, I kill with the sound. I've been the best and they already know. Lapping these rappers, I'm going for gold. Pop up your bike, it is, I gotta go. Do your bitch like a writers, cause I got a ghost. Talking that shit, but I'm up in your playlist. It's about to blow like a bomb when they play it. Got your bitch on her knees like she was praying. Fuck all you rappers and no, I'm not playing. Talking that shit, but I'm up in your playlist. It's about to blow like a bomb when they play it. Got your bitch on her knees like she was praying. Fuck all you rappers and no, I'm not playing.
I got a pin and I aim at the net. People be talking, but they ain't a threat. Hop on a beat and I put it to rest. I don't mean to be rude, but you really a rat. Rappers, I'm better than hating the most. You bring up my name, it'll end with a flow. I stay on the move, got a head and a scope. Do the soul on my own, ain't nobody I owe. Hold up, give me a minute. I've been in the mix and I'm too independent. I've been on the wave and they all fucking with it. We bout to come up and I'm stopping the business. I took the beat and I make it a ditch. You act like you hard, but you really a bitch. I'm not the one to go fake or pretend. They say that they love me, but hate when I win. I'm tired of hearing that you can do better. You grip the mic up on the stage and you choke. Fuck what you say, this is my open letter. And all of my people know I do the most. Give me some time and I promise I'll blow. Hate all you want, but my shit is still cold. Spend all my time making shit that is dope. But I swear I won't settle till I'm on the coast. Can.
now you can mix it up.
Oh,
It's like toothpaste, guys.
it literally actually feels a little like toothpaste.
Yeah.
My hands were glittery.
Yeah.
Oh, this actually worked pretty well.
Yeah, this is actually the best slime I've ever made.
Oh, it's technically the only one you have.
Well,
Oh yeah, we haven't showed them this. Oh yeah, we also made this like tiny.
yeah, I showed that. It's like pretty like everything, like lots of
Look.
ingredients.
It's like really
Buffalo
rippy and that. Oh.
So I'll put in a little more thing so it doesn't look like
This is
that
like,
one.
bro, guys. This
A
is
little
guys. This feels like exactly like
Metal one.
foam.
Oh, fine.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put in a little more so it doesn't look like worn out slime.
Wait, can I do it? Can I do it?
Yeah, okay.
You're gonna put it in?
Yeah, okay, put it in, put it in.
Yeah.
This is okay, carry
this
this.
is the
Okay, go over
best.
the bowl in case if we miss it. Put it in.
Just saying,
Okay,
this
all
is
the
the
place,
best
and now we're gonna
slime
do
I
this.
ever made in my life.
Okay, let's mix it
look,
in.
this is the fluffiest.
Oh look, okay, yeah, it's not
I'm gonna let me feel.
not really what I
Let me
want
feel.
to, but I
Just
can
one
go
pill.
with it. I want to get a little more white. Like, should I put in a different glue again? Like, I don't know if I should.
I want to feel this one. Oh, what did you make that one with?
Gosh, you did the overall review about the slime.
Oh yeah, this. Oh my god, I just put more shaving cream.
Yeah, I'm gonna put in a little more because like, I love the shaving cream. I'm gonna use it when I'm older, so I'm gonna learn how to use it. If you know what I mean.
Let me.
And mix it in. Try not to touch the shaving cream as much.
Oh, it's actually really hard to like do it with this.
Mix it in.
No. The more I mix, the more it comes off my fingers.
Yeah, when I feel this looks so like slithery. It's like
There's a fly. I just not want to stop playing with it. I'm gonna play with this for the whole video. Even
Okay,
when
guys, should we do our overall review? on the
Also,
slime?
thumbs up. But thumbs up. Do not put a thumbs down. If you put a thumbs up, you have unlike Filipiners, the giggle and stuff. If you put a thumbs down, you will have no
What is he saying?
surprise.
Guys, I don't know what he was saying.
Don't worry about it. So we're done.
Yes,
We're
in
finished.
overall reviews, I had a lot of fun doing this.
Okay, that's it. Say goodbye.
Bye.
Make sure you